Hi there, it's Mike here. It's time for another BlitzTankStats challenge. Today we're going to be doing a Tier 9 SharpShooter challenge. It's the final round of the No One Can Escape My Scope, which is a user challenge created by the Fun Player. He's in the final and he's already played, so we're all set to go with this one. Before I do that though, I'd like to say a big shout out for Major Easy, who's just subscribed to the channel and subscribed to the website, so thanks a lot for that, Major. I salute you, sir. And we'll just gonna have a quick look on the website before we start this challenge, as we've got the all-rounder 5000 coming up soon. So I'm conscious that some people haven't played challenges, and we'll hopefully give you an idea of how they run. So we're on the challenge page at the moment. You see that the all-rounder 5000 has got, it's 96 out of 128 so there's only 32 spaces left, so it's filling up quick because it's only been open for a day, which is really good. I'm really excited about this. Hopefully we should get on the way on Friday with that, if it's full up. This is the one we're going to be playing though. It's the No One Can Escape My Scope. We'll just jump into the challenge page so that it makes it easy for us to refresh. So to start our matches, to start the tracking, we need to click on our game, and we can see that the Fun Player's already played here, and we're waiting here. We see it's not recording our matches because it's got the play symbol. So if we do start match, that will get the game engine looking for our games basically. And so we're good to go now. So it's a sharpshooter, right? Okay, and it's tier 9. So we'll close that up for now and switch back into the game. So I've been playing my my back chat in this one for the last few rounds, so I'm going to keep on with that. Just make sure we've got regular selected, which we do. So we want as much time to aim and fire without being taken over by the flag captures. So we'll hit battle and hope the MM gods are good to us. Okay, so we're on Middleburg. It's there's a quick start. Platoon games. Can't really see anybody I know. I'm down tiered as usual. I haven't got a rocket tank against me, which quite often happens with the BC-25. We normally get a rocket tank as my opponent, which doesn't always end up well, shall we say. Let's try and get some spots in like we normally do here. Make sure the heavies are coming out here the half. So put one in him. I would have tried a few extra shots there, but it's a sharpshooter challenge, so I can't really afford to miss. I don't think I had a shot on anyway, really, to be fair. Oh, they've pushed up all in advance here, haven't they? Sherry's position. Oh, Sheridan on the ridge. No, it's gone. Just to get a reload in. Kill the Sherry off. We're in a good position, I think. A few supplies to go around this side here. This way there. We get a shot into that hammer.
Enemy armor is damaged. We've lost the track.
Another shot from him.
Nice shot. Enemy is hit.
Got some good solid shots in there. The question is, do I reposition? We'll stay where we are for now. Well down this one alley, aren't they? Just turn there.
Enemy is hit.
Get another one on him. Yes.
Enemy is hit.
KPF there. Can try and finish him off.
We finish him off.
The up result. 1-2, go for that trick.
We hit them hard.
Oh, well, yeah. Good team getting me, I couldn't get out of the way though. Not a lot we could do about that one. But we got some good shots in. Took 2 of them out. Which is what it's all about. Shame couldn't survive, but never mind. It's a 1 game and it's a good battle. Decent amount of damage. Let's claim these rewards while we're here quickly. Let's go and have a look and see how that first battle went on the website then. Let's go and switch back over. Now, it normally takes about a minute for the results to come in, but one surefire way of doing it is to refresh the page with the challenges. That'll reload your stats onto the database after the game's finished. So if we click on here, it should have that first result there. So, so we've got a 1 game lead here, which is great. So I didn't miss there, which is unlike me, but it's obviously a good day today. So we've got the first battle in the bag. So if we can do well on the same thing next time, we've hopefully won this challenge. But we'll see how it goes. We'll switch back into the game. Okay. Oh yes, give them an effective player. Did well, didn't they? Did okay as well. Let's go for the next one. We're nearly on the top of this battle pass here. Might as well do that while I'm here. Get some gold. I say it's been really good, the battle pass. For not much effort, you can get really good rewards for this. So it's a big thumbs up for WG here for this one. It's been one of the best events I can remember. Okay, let's go with another battle. We've got it's another quick start again. Must be a lot of players all ready to play. So there's nobody I know again. We've got no platoons this time, have we? We're on the city map.
Let's get this show on the road.
So somebody's called left, but does that mean they're actually going to go left? Guns still reloading. I can't afford to pop one up there with the sharpshooter, which I would normally. I'd normally risk a shot up the alley there, speculative. Oh dear.
One of our gas tanks ruptured. We're low on fuel.
50B's 1 shot down there. He's not going to be reloading, is he? They are all coming this way though.
Critical hit. The track is damaged.
Oh, that's going to hurt. Put one through there. Sneaky. Reloading.
Penetration. One of our trucks is gone. We can't move.
Oh, one fuse here. Oh no.
We're done for.
We've got bar around the back. But what's that? What our heavy's doing? This is the reason, isn't it? He doesn't like that, does he? Come on, heavies. He didn't like me shooting through that little gap. I wasn't very happy with that. We've been scuppered by our heavies here going around the back, haven't we? We've had them missing from the game for half the battle. I didn't do too bad though, we put some damage on them. I a red win though, looking at the how it's going. Yeah, too slow. And the heavies are still not doing a lot. He's not even noticed that guy jump up there then. He's too busy focusing on the hammer. Oh well, it wasn't meant to be that game. Okay. A swift exit for this one. I don't know how many shots we did. We only did 5 shots, but we didn't miss, which could be enough, given it's a sharpshooter. Depends how the fun player played. So we'll just go and check. I might as well check and see if the challenge itself is over. We'll go back to the website. We'll just refresh the page here to make sure it comes in, and click on. We'll get the results. Now it says 1-1. He just did one more shot than me. Look. Oh, I only had the last chance to get a shot on my clip. It'd have gone down to damage. It'd have won anyway from that level, but it's close. So it goes down to the last battle. It's always close when I play the fun player. He normally gets the upper hand, to be fair. He's a good player. I'm not so good. So let's go back in the game for the final match. See how it plays out. We've got Legion and Nice on the opposite side. I don't know who 1 bars are, but I hope they're good. Say hi to go.
Time to roll out.
All I can hope to do is get some shots in. I think they are going desert. Oh, maybe they are. Legion have come to the desert. Which is where I prefer to play this map, to be fair. Get some shots in now. It's going to be hard then to try and reverse up. That's off. I don't know exactly what he's looking at there. He's looking at the aeroplanes or something. Him from the picture. We've always got to be careful on sharpshooter challenges to not get kill stealed. Let's see if we can try and find somebody to shoot them. We've got 4 shots in on target so far. So accurate. See this guy here.
Main gun damaged. We've lost accuracy.
He's reloading, right? Gun. looking good for me though here, is it? I knew it was coming, really. I shouldn't have gone out in the desert, but never mind. The rest of the team just didn't want to go, did they? We've got a few shots in. Didn't miss, I don't think. So we've got a chance of winning. Depends on the game the fun player had, which is the interesting thing here. Yes, it's a bit sad, isn't it? When your tier 9 is the top scorer on the battle and you've got 2 zeros. The one bars didn't live up to didn't live up to Legion and Nice. I'll give them a worthy opponent. Oh, why not? There we go. They did well. Right, so there we go. We've had our third and final match. So we'll switch into the website and see if we won this one. I'm not counting my chickens out. So there we go. We did actually win it. Excellent, 2-1. I see there. I shot 8. He actually missed one this time, so he only managed to do 6 as well. So my accuracy paid off this one, which is excellent. So we've finally beaten the fun player. So apologies for that, some fun player, but it's a good game. Okay, so that's another final finished. Excellent. So this has been Mirage Mike here at BlitzTankStats Challenge. I managed to win one today, which is really good, and I hope you're enjoying watching these videos. And we'll see you for the all-rounder 5000, which is kicking off on Friday at 12. Hopefully, if you've not registered, it's still open. There's still 32 places available, so why not give it a try? Some nice prizes for the top 4 players. So thanks again for joining me. If you're enjoying these videos, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you again for the next one. Cheers. Bye bye for now.